Hi everyone, welcome to Craft Time. Today we're working on the letter D. D for dog. Go dog, go. So get out all your craft supplies and let's get started. In front of me I have a paper plate. As well as some pieces of paper, I have a little bit of white, some black, some cream, some green, and some orange for my hat. So to start, let's take our paper plate and let's get a crayon. Let's take a crayon and draw a line from the middle of the paper plate to the very top like that, so that we can see it. Then, if this were a clock, I would be going to 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, and I'm going to take it and draw another line, just like that. Now that I've got my line, I'm going to grab my scissors and cut along that line, which leaves me with this little piece, which I'll put to the side for later. Now what I want to do is I want to take my brown marker or my brown crayon and I want to color in this section. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's do the whole section until there's no white showing. Wonderful. Now that we've finished coloring our plate brown, we're going to turn it like so. Then I'm going to take my black construction paper and I'm going to place it over the top because what I want to do now is create some glasses, just like the glasses in our dog in Go Dog Go. So I'm going to take my crayon and I'm just going to create the side arm of the glasses. Then I'm going to create sort of a circle shape, like so. The middle part that goes over the bridge of the nose, and then another glasses right here. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. Do the best you can. Just make it look like glasses. And once you have your shape, let's go on in and cut it out. Remember to watch your fingers, going around very gently, and maybe I will even add a little smidgen on that side. Around we go, over the bridge, around the eyes, and cut. Move this to the side, and this is going to go right like that. But before we put them on, let's take our white paper and let's make some little circles for the eyeballs. So let's just cut this out like this and see if we can grab our marker and draw a circle that will fit inside. That looks about right. If you need to adjust, just adjust as you go. And I'm going to go on in and cut out my circle. So it will be like that. And then I want to take another one for the other eye. So what I can do is I can trace around it. Or I can just guess around what size it's going to be. It's very, very close. Take my scissors again and go ahead and cut out my other circle. Very nice and slow, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and take our glue. Let's put our glue on and put it right inside the glasses. And the same with this side. Let's take our glue, put it on like so, and just like that. Now I want some pupils for my eyeballs, so I'm just going to go in and draw little circles for the eyes. And there's my second one. Wonderful. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting these on top like that. But before I do, I need a little bit of glue. So I'm just going to put the glue right here. And then right like that. I'll put a little bit of glue right there So that can pop on like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the rest of my black and I'm just going to cut it off. And I'm just going to give myself a little circle for my dog's nose. You can draw this on with a lighter color crayon, or you can just do what I'm doing and just cut it out. Let's put it on just like that. A little bit of glue, little dab will do you. Let's take our orange construction paper and let's put it close and behind almost our eyes so that we see what shape our hat can be. So I'm going to grab a darker crayon so that you can see it. And I'm just going to go over here like our picture. If you look in our picture, you can see that the hat comes a little bit out over the glasses. So let's try to do that. Let's come out over the glasses and then come back up and around over the head, like so. Let's take our scissors and cut around the same shape. Watching your fingers and coming back like that. Perfect. Now what I want to do is I want to sit it like that on my dog. So I'm going to lift up a little bit of my glasses, put on some glue, just like this. And then I'm going to take my hat and put it all the way down, like so. Now you'll see that I have a little bit of room under my glasses that I can use to put glue to. Pop it down